Next, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then for spices you would need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. For the liquids, 2 eggs, for the pumpkin, you can use either the freshly pureed stuff or from the can. I recommend a minimum of 1 cup. If you want more of a pumpkin taste, you can always add more pumpkin. Oh yeah, if for the eggs, if you're vegan and you're watching this, you can use a egg substitute. And for the margarine, I'm using a 1/4 cup. And a 1/4 cup of milk. And now you stir it. This is optional, but if you want to add a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, you can. And now you stir them in as well. At this point, you should preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Also, you should have mixed your muffins all together. Now transfer it to a muffin pan. I have these parchment papers because I'm going to an event tomorrow for part of the YouTube television. I hope I can get away with that. The best way to pretty much put this into this is by a needle. I would take like very little bits and just start to put them in. I would put some in each at first, just to make sure I have everything, every liner covered. Then I can go back and cover and put some more in the each where I think should have a little bit more, just to be on the safe side. Now transfer your muffins into your oven. Plus, it should be baked for 20 minutes minimum. You can quickly put the boiler on just to brown them up a little bit. But I wouldn't do it for a long time because of the paper.